We are research and technology organizations. We shape the future. With the work of our 65,000 people from 190 locations around the world, we can tackle the biggest challenges of our time. Together, we chart a course that translates cutting-edge technology into a greener, healthier, and more resilient Europe. We overcome societal and economic challenges through concrete, technology-based solutions. Our work supports the agendas of the European Green Deal, Europe Fit for the Digital Age, and allows our industries to enter a new era of global competitiveness. We understand industry, we speak its language, but above all, we can produce results. We are the missing link between enterprises and research. We connect the dots for efficient, real-world application. We put the promises of research into practice. We are 10 RTOs, but we act as one. One voice to make our solution shape Europe's future. We research, we innovate, we demonstrate, and we deliver. We are impartial, we are trustworthy. We offer an honest perspective and are dedicated to advancing Europe. The challenges of our time are exceptional. Our future depends on our ability to rise to the challenges by offering sustainable solutions, maintaining a strong industrial base, and developing innovation that allows the European Union to be an independent and competitive leader. From Norway to Spain, from Austria to Finland, we have joined forces. We are different but united. We are Europe's highway to innovation. We are RTOs.